Local residents, in a fit of rage, beat up a married woman and her accomplice, a youth, after they were found in a compromising position. The mob cut the woman's hair and thrashed both of them. The husband of the woman filed a complaint at the Menaguri police station. However, residents said that the husband only indulged his wife to have physical relations with some people for his own mutual gain. An FIR was lodged in connection with the incident and the police have started an investigation.
ঘটনা ঘটেছে অপ্রীতিকর ঘটনা আমরা তার পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে অলরেডি এফআইআর তৈরি লজ করা হয়েছে এবং দোষী ব্যক্তিদের অবিলম্বে গ্রেফতার করা হবে
Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in a media conference made it very clear that both North Bengal and South Bengal are integral parts of West Bengal, after two BJP leaders raised the demand for making North Bengal a union territory. She said that she would not allow the BJP to divide and rule, and for any such move, the centre cannot convert a part of a state to union territory without the consent of the state concerned. The BJP, after losing out in the Lok Sabha polls in 2012, seems to have become desperate to get rid of the ruling Trinamool Congress.
উত্তরবঙ্গ দক্ষিণবঙ্গে পার্থক্যটা কোথায়? আর একটা কথা বলি, পশ্চিমবঙ্গ ইজ পশ্চিমবঙ্গ, দক্ষিণবঙ্গ পশ্চিম বাংলার মধ্যে, উত্তরবঙ্গ পশ্চিম বাংলার মধ্যে কোনো রকম ডিভাইড অ্যান্ড রুল আমরা করতে দেবো না এবং এগুলো রাজ্য সরকার অনুমতি ছাড়া করা যায় না। বিজেপি যদি মনে করে যে আমি জলপাইগুড়িটা বিক্রি করে দেবো, অত সস্তা নয়। বিজেপি যদি মনে করে আমি আলিপুরদুয়ারটা বিক্রি করে দেবো, অত সস্তা নয়।
In Siliguri, TMC leader Gautam Dev lashed out at the BJP for trying to disrupt the smooth running of the government by instigating the people of North Bengal. If instigated, there will be resentment among the people, which will finally lead to agitation for a false commitment made by them. The BJP does not believe in a federal structure and their only intention is to make the country run by a single party, and for that they can go to any extent.
কেন্দ্র সরকার কোথায় সহায়তার হাত বাড়াবেন সেটা না বাড়িয়ে এইভাবে একটা নির্বাচিত সরকার যারা বিপুল ম্যান্ডেট নিয়ে থার্ড টার্ম ইন এ রো ক্ষমতায় এসে তাকে ডিস্টেবল করার জন্য এই ধরনের চক্রান্ত, বাংলার মানচিত্রকে খণ্ডিত করার চক্রান্ত, এর বিরুদ্ধে সর্বস্তরের বাংলার মানুষ, বুদ্ধিজীবী, চিন্তাবিদ, সর্বস্তরের মানুষ সংঘবদ্ধ প্রতিবাদ করবে।
The detectives of the Siliguri Metropolitan Police arrested a hardcore criminal from the outskirts of the city last night. They recovered a 7mm automatic pistol with 2 rounds ammunition and 2 magazines from the accused, who hails from Chopra. The accused was here to commit some crime which the police will be investigating. He was produced at the district court. The BJP does not believe in a federal structure and their only intention is to make the country run by a single party. In another incident, the police arrested 3 men and recovered 120 kilograms of cannabis and 2 vehicles from the city. The vehicles with the contraband were on the way to Bihar when they were intercepted by the police. The accused were produced at the district court today. A vaccination camp for the above 70 category of the elderly was started in Siliguri on Thursday. The camp is being run with the help of a local NGO, an NGO from Calcutta and the State Health Department. Here, the organizers will be camping on all 40 wards of the Siliguri Municipal Corporation, for the benefit of the beneficiaries. An NGO started a vaccination camp for the challenged people in Siliguri on Thursday. The vaccination will be done for beneficiaries between the ages of 18 to 45. Around 100 beneficiaries will be vaccinated in the program. The NGO has taken the initiative with the help of the CII, the municipal corporation and a local club.